Hello. My topic is, should college athletes be able to negotiate their scholarships? The topic of, should athletes be able to get paid, college athletes be able to get paid also while going to school, has been an ongoing topic for a while. And if they shouldn't be able to get paid for playing sports, should they be able to negotiate their scholarships? I feel like they should be able to, but there's pros and cons to it. The main stakeholders would be the school, because they could lose a lot of money from it, or they could gain a lot of money from it. It could go either way. They gain a lot of money because the student athletes bring in money, but they could also lose because they might be giving out money that they make. Um, it'll affect the athletes because athletes might go through a hard time now, just not being able to get paid to do what they do. But if you let them negotiate their scholarships and they start getting money from them, it might make them play better or not play as hard. It's pros and cons to that too. The NCAA as a whole, it would change because of the different ways people act when they get money. So they might play better, they might not play better. They might see it as, oh, since I'm already getting money, what do I need to go harder for? They might try to be more cautious and play so they won't get hurt. A little background information about the topic. So in California, they passed the law saying that they can play college athletes, but it hasn't really been effective yet. But it's a law. They used to make video games, NCAA video games, but they stopped making them because you can't put athletes' names on the back of the jerseys or in the game at all because you're not paying them for them, and that counts as sponsorships. Um, Players, I feel like NCAA players work and do jobs just like just like any other person in the workplace, but they don't get to pick out their scholarships. And somebody that somebody that starts for a team gets the same scholarship as somebody that rides the bench all 4 years, and I feel like that isn't right. And players, they bring in a lot of money for their school, but at the end of the day, they get no say in how much of it they should get. So therefore, it's really seems like it's unfair. The argument for this case could be their education. They get free education, so since they get free education, they don't have to pay for school, and that can help a lot with a lot of people because school can be expensive. Um, if you pay them for what they do, most of the time, most people decide that they shouldn't have to work as hard. They might not play as hard as they need to. Um, Also, they might just be like, it isn't that serious anymore, so they just plan to get by just to get paid, not to actually try to make it to the NFL. They wouldn't have a goal to reach. The amount of money you give them could be a conflict because you might give somebody more than another, and if they find out about each other's contracts or scholarship forms and how much they're getting from each other, they might get mad and go to a different height about it. They might go tell somebody, or they might go feel like it isn't fair and go protest or do something they not is not really necessary. Um, Another con to it could be people could feel like just because they might just choose to go to that school just for getting paid, not because they actually want to go to the school or they actually play the sport. They might just go because they feel like they can get paid more at that school than any other school. That's it.